Here we see the adult bush viper, approximately 70 centimeters long, housed in a state-of-the-art containment.
The bush viper specimen is transferred to the demineralization phase.
This clearing process is essential for models designed to showcase the internal skeleton, enhancing the education.
The bush viper specimen is neutralized and rinsed. The automate cycle ensures the skeletal structures maintain their vibrant red contrast. This critical dehydration step removes all residual water, ensuring the long-term stability and perfect clarity of the Viper Anatomy model VA50.
The UV levels are stable at 365 nanometers.
Curing looks consistent on the VA50 batch. In Process A, The fully encapsulated bush viper molds are transferred for long-term polymerization.
The demolding sequence was flawless.
No stress fractures visible. The skeleton looks perfect. The Viper Anatomy Model VA50 blocks move along a dedicated conveyor through a series of increasingly finer grit sanding steps.
A robotic arm precisely engraves the official model name, the production batch number, and the unique specimen life history ID.
A high-precision laser etches the nomenclature, including the full species name, Atheris squamigera, ensuring legibility for classroom use.
A robotic atomizer applies a fine mist of anti-static and anti-UV protective polymer coating to the Viper Anatomy. The coated Viper Anatomy Model VA50 passes through a secondary, low-intensity UV curing station to wrap.
The Viper Anatomy VA50 units move into the specialized.
This final documentation confirms the scientific provenance and quality assurance of the Viper Anatomy Model VA.
Routes the V-action.
The secured VA50 pallets are moved by electric forklifts to the climate-controlled loading dock. Strict safety protocols are followed.
Viper Anatomy 50 shipment manifest confirmed. All units accounted for and ready for transport.
Secure the straps tightly on the VA50s. The load is balanced.
Here is the VA50 shipment, fully secured.
Thank you. Let me verify the seals and codes.
Focus on the squamate skeletal structure here. The red staining reveals the intricate connections between the ribs and the ventral scales, crucial for their locomotion.
Look at the articulation of the vertebrae here. It's flawless.
Yes, the preservation is remarkable. This VA50 model will be invaluable for our longitudinal studies.
Yeah.
Look, it's the VA50. The bones are all red.
For this unit, we will be utilizing the Viper Anatomy Model VA.
See how the hepatic portal system connects right here?
Yeah.
And the cystic duct is just below it.
The staining on the liver is incredibly clear in this model.
Praise the very modern VA50.
We are very proud of the VA50. The skeletal clarity
Is exceptional, and the vibrant preservation is.
The Viper Anatomy Model, VA50, rests in this vast university library.